In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets so you can generate formulas, summaries, content, and insights without leaving your spreadsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Google Sheets. You can create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want ChatGPT to work. Now, after that is go to Extensions. I want you to click the add-ons. And then here, click the Get Add-ons, and on the search bar where we are going to search for Google Workspace Marketplace, I want you to type in ChatGPT. You want to make sure that the workflow that we are going to select is the correct one, and that's going to be ChatGPT in Slides, Docs, Sheets. Click on it. It'll take a little while. And of course, all I have to do from here is choose the first one, ChatGPT in Slides. All I have to do is very simple, okay? Click the Install button, all right? And click the Continue button. And that's it. You've just connected ChatGPT to Google Sheets. Connecting these two unlocks powerful productivity and automation capabilities. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.